Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is customer behavior. Following are the 4 types of customers. Number 1. Impulsive customers. This type of customer don't waste their much time to decide whether they should shop or not. If they find something unique or important for them, they buy instantly. Number 2. Wandering customers. They have no specific need or desire in mind. Wandering customers draw the largest amount of traffic to the company while making up the smallest percentage of sales revenue. Number 3. Discount seekers. This type of customers are afraid of buying things online. They are not willingly ready always to buy online. Number 4. Loyal customers, the customer who avail membership. When someone avail membership of any marketplace, it means that person trusts on that website. So loyal customer are the customer that purchase from you time to time. Let me know in comment section in which marketplace you are selling and what type of audience that marketplace mostly has. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.